Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M. Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Research and Scientific Method. Research. Research is defined as the creation of new knowledge and/or the use of existing knowledge in a new and creative way so as to generate new concepts, methodologies and understandings. Research is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information to create new knowledge or to use existing knowledge in a new way. It also involves in revising theories or developing new theories based on new facts. Research can also be defined as creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. Research is concerned with the following steps. 1. Identifying the research topic. First step is to identify the area in which the researcher is interested to conduct the study. 2. Collecting data. Data should be collected related to the topic through any suitable data collection method. 3. Analyzing data. Next step is analysis of the data on the basis of suitable statistical formulas. The hypotheses can also be tested through analysis of data. 4. Documenting information. Next step is recording of all important information for future use. 5. Preparing conclusion. Conclusion should contain brief outline of the findings of the study and recommendations. Reasons for conducting research. 1. To discover new facts. 2. To revise theories or laws. 3. To develop new methods and systems. 4. To generate new questions for further study. 5. To create new concepts and understandings. 6. To apply new theories or laws in practical ways. Important types of research. Important types of research are scientific research, humanities research, artistic research, economic research, social research, business research, marketing research, and technological research. Scientific method. The scientific method is a process that scientists use to gain knowledge about the world. It involves asking questions, making hypotheses, conducting experiments, and drawing conclusions. The scientific method is a systematic way to conduct research and make discoveries. It's a logical approach that scientists use to learn about the natural world. According to Barzun, Jacques, and Graf, Henry, F., in their book, The Modern Researcher, 1970, scientific method attempts to achieve this ideal by experimentation, observation, logical arguments from accepted postulates and a combination of these three in varying proportions. Steps of the scientific method. The steps of the scientific method are interrelated, so they don't always happen in the same order. Scientists may also repeat or expand on an experiment based on what they observed during the process. 1. Ask a question. The first step is to ask a question that can be answered through experimentation. Questions should use words like how, what, when, why, where, who, or which. Questions should be immeasurable. 1. 2. Make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess which states that what might happen in an experiment. It is definite statement about the result of the study that can be true or not and will be known only after the result of the study. It gives direction for the study. 3. Conduct an experiment. The experiment can be conducted through the analysis of data. The experiment tests the hypothesis. The experiment may be conducted through independent and dependent variables. It is better to manipulate the independent variables according to the type and nature of the experiment. 4. Observe. Researchers observe the experiment systematically to describe what they experienced. 5. Analyze. Researchers should analyze the data collected during the experiment. 6. Draw a conclusion. Researchers should summarize their findings from the experiment and should give a brief conclusion. They should also give some suggestions of the study. 7. Communicate the results. Researchers should share their findings with others through research institutes and in educational institutions.